they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah,
I've been thinking a lot.
Why?
Scanty told me that
What's wrong
he
with
has
you?
been telling me that I should keep this relationship a secret.
Why?
I don't know. Like, he's telling me that I shouldn't tell other people about it. Whenever I'm talking to him and somebody comes in, he'll just be like, oh, he's leaving. As if we are just random
Is he at the
friends.
hostel or on campus?
Good.
But the last time I remember I told you guys to keep it low-key. Maybe that's the reason why he's acting that way.
No, you remember that time he even said he wouldn't too. And I was the one who was telling him that I would. Let's listen to Anderson. So I feel like there's more to it, Anderson.
No, don't think that way. Maybe he's now acting what I said.
No, I think probably he has another girlfriend.
Why are you doing this?
Anderson, listen to me. I think he has another girlfriend, right? And he has told the other girl that they should keep it a secret. And he's telling me the same thing.
No, I don't think so.
No, I think he's actually playing me.
So at the hostel too, does he act that way too?
Yes. You see, other students know about us. Even in the hostel, there are other people in the school who know about us. But whenever we are talking and those same people that know about us come there, then he'll be leaving.
Don't think that way.
Nah, I actually think he's cheating on me.
No.
But he's telling me that it's because of MIA.
Yeah, because MIA is the one who funds education.
Anderson, are you also supporting him?
Oh, yeah.
Why are you supporting him?
Because if MIA hears about you guys, he's going to get pissed.
And how is it supposed to bother me?
Maybe he's going to stop supporting him.
Why? Why would he decide to stop supporting him?
Are you going to pay his school fees for him?
No, but I'm not sure why would he do that? That's too petty. Why would you decide to stop funding your nephew's education just because of a girl?
You know MIA is interested in you. Do you know that?
But he's not. We are done with that. We've already spoken about that.
Who told you?
But he's dating us.
Who told you?
Oh, come on. I'm not sure.
That teacher is a womanizer.
I'm not sure MIA also. Why would MIA does a lot of things? People are dating in the school, so why would you decide to?
I'm going to talk to him. You don't worry. I'll talk to him.
It's making me get worried though.
Hey, lava girl.
I want to even end it.
Don't say that. Because Scanty is a good guy. I don't think he's cheating on you.
I think he's cheating on me.
No.
Because Scanty, how he is, he would want it to be like something that everybody will know about.
So this is the reason why you're sad. Don't be. It's okay. I'll talk to you. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I said it's okay.
Yeah, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I
now what to say? True bra is la pacosan and you casa. We share. Never be a paco for Sico party, do bra as a young mamma. And you go and Yama, as the other is share. We will always have a chin on our kind of going to me a day. Rose me a day. How your chance related to our son. Yeah, Charles, and how is it to our son? Go on,
so, thank you.
I will be there, Charles, at 1 hour to our son.
So, when the more the child or inspiration, teaching you say, hey, I'm going to church, let's say, change that. Timothy, remember, my focus, in fact, I inspired. One more thing I said.
Says Manfula. The PRA tweet, I am a person every time the thing was you need to be my gun and my power. Chairman Fasudia, the free cocoon, Chairman Adiabino. In natural way, and I'm real. But and any man in free cocoa, it will be me.
Tough.
Come on, stand up! You must stand up! Stand up! Stand up, but you have.
Hey.
If you're processing in your coffee and it's meeting a one year.
I'm not dang! But then you're free. To the school, my son, and now I'm not free to go. I got to.
And I was student. In senior student, so I must have go back.
Yes. The dear man, you never go.
Say, come on, I was there. Don't the mom.
What's the name of your cocoa?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Yes, Dennis. From Andy Poe.
You can have the chair and last interview. They also say a passion for conflict. You also never.
That we body free that we are talking about.
No, that's it.
It's a true guy. I was said, as your mom will be about us. What do you call India? I'm going to India is all kinds of country casa. And there will be the one. India, you know what India casa? Sorry for correcting me. Sorry. And who be the number one? Who be the best? The Bible of me say. Hey! The Bible of me say. Singing. Profile. So I don't send profile. Profile.
Say a problem, and I said,
A problem. What's you want to be back? Speak like that, Jiwa. Speak like that.
Free. Baby, Frank,
Baby, but she was really oh, we're beyond the weekend. But you bring Chicasano. That's a one. Yeah, we want to put a Casana. Yes, no. What does one reach another reach? Oh, no, I want. Can't you see? You can't speak your own language. Can't you see? Can't have that one. I can see a plan of Frank as so. Bonza sana. Ule wa mama wangu mshukuru hapo kwa sasa ina sasa. Kwa sasa ni
what's working is a weakness, and I don't get it.
Hey, what's my emotion? Gay, my young pocket and other two school. Drew the man, every I have one of the Sianian. Now, you mean I put out my downstairs wife. Yes, Sianian wife. Huh?
Fine.
And yes, huh? Yes, as I'm planning. Why do you mind this man? I can't do by them. Mr. Peter.
Yeah.
Match. I'm saying, treat my okay, you can't be cool, match up, who are not for sale. How do they know? Snap. You better also to move on.
Synonym may antonym differently.
Antonym, you are the synonym.
Synonym, any antonym has a different rule.
No, so you
It's all about them.
Yeah. It's not.
How many that question is
Ana bɛka kyerɛ sɛ yɛn asɛ ayɛ ne pɛ sɛ kyerɛkyerɛ bati obi ni ayɛ ntimi nkyerɛ kyena yɛ ma kyerɛ suma
yɛ kwa yɛ bi ti ma kyerɛ
dabi ɛno saa deɛ a ne nyina why nti kyena
Cocoa natural resources and answer cocoa different artificial resources.
One of fair resources what when you born can start grinning what in Tina I want to treat you another person that come up no and none of you come up on treating you all of us are watching you on this answer to who we teach her try and you know got to shame you don't be fed up you don't be fed up you have to be fed up it's not you better watch you we're going bring treaty Sam will see some compass, ya what will be son. Who wants the travel to separate more? The single to the money pressure. Okay. You can't give me pressure.
So are you pissed?
Huh?
Are you pissed?
No, tomorrow then we shall continue. Okay. She
na change at your home.
She will be more.
Oh. Why we are home? And I will bye. See you tomorrow.
Precious, saying is believing. As Antoine is pregnant for real.
You see, when I told you, we were kind of like doubting, you were in shock. I think she's really pregnant too, because I'm not sure she's sick. And you saw that MIA's reaction changed. Like, he changed the topic from what he was teaching to something else. He was so confused. MIA is responsible. If it's not MIA, then who else is responsible? Hey, MIA. Because Asantua doesn't mingle with the guys in the school.
It is a disgrace, so.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that?
Oh my god, Asantua. But I'm really sad for her.
But do you know that she can never hide it?
I'm really sad for her. Like, what will she do? Will she drop out?
I don't know.
This is serious.
It will come out very soon. No?
This is serious. It's so serious. And then MIA to get into trouble.
Put that one there for sure.
Hey.
When they were doing the power part, no one was there. So this is the result.
Understand.
Mommy, I'm happy.
Why are you happy?
That girl, the way I hate her, man.
Let me be the one saying that I'm happy because Asantua is pregnant, not you. Don't be happy. Your fellow lady is pregnant. Oh,
I'm really happy.
Why are you happy?
Why? You are supposed to be happy. You know that.
Oh, nah. I don't like her doesn't mean that when something bad happens to me, I'm supposed to be happy.
It's not a bad thing, no.
How is it not bad?
When you learn in the classroom, don't you write exams? You do, right?
Understand.
So that's the results. After writing exams, you have your results.
So this is what you are saying?
Yeah, that's your results.
So if I get pregnant, you will tell me that that's my results?
Will you do the thing that you're going to get pregnant? Or do you do it? I don't know. I thought you are doing courtship. Hey, so you've been doing the thing. Hey.
Oh, nah. But like, you should know that You're not supposed to be happy about it.
Do you do it? You tell me.
That doesn't stop
Precious,
talking
you do
about
it.
that. Oh,
Hey, Precious.
oh,
P for Precious. Precious.
I don't like that.
I thought you were doing courtship.
So,
I could have put me. Okay. Innocent but mighty.
I don't do anything like that.
Okay, that's fine.
Scanty doesn't do that.
Che. I was going to get baby man.
Shut up. I'm talking about Santana. You're talking about.
It's okay, it's okay. But I mean, I'm happy.
Yeah, me pen when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months.
Me kwa what me di agina me wie na nkomo de nkomo.
When I say Kewi Asantua, Nene say no, of I bear you, share do your genius and Ansana. I create trendy Ansana go fast, Samaba.
Again, me trendy.
Asantua insane.
Stop it! Stop it! Huh? Just now, Nama work can Scanty. Some men continue saying, now I be on Sakwana me, Minnie Diago, and I'm little baby.
Of I know about fear only no, I said them in army home. About fear now wouldn't say them now training army home, but if I wouldn't, they make a woman said they make a woman.
Scanty, this is your last warning. So we need one cow and 1 2 us and 2 us 7 home. Now can someone here be a home? We anima who yen school from a bini. Anima who yen school ano. I me a goom in some ebini. Ebini. Why are you talking like that? I say if you need in a year, why are you talking like that? Then offer. Hey, son of there. Are you getting no? Baby. Why are you crazy? Are you crazy? Scanty, can't you see him? You talking just like that to your uncle? Can't you see him? Huh? Scanty. Again, how? Me na me show what it? What do you mean? Teen somewhere or I no be enough in them school more. And now baby, I'll be chilling up at Cassas and win. What do you mean?
When you mean I'm many nam dada and 70 nam dada in a measure say, in come off and no yenny baby now. Some message would not be
Hey, Adams, are you crazy? Are you normal? Why, Adams? Why are you talking me just like that? Huh? I told you, don't ever say that Asantua name. But you say Asantua name. How? How? Are you discussing my name? Can't you say, madams? Ah, Scanty?
Opoku we on what ya some way at the Dananusa, on our men who didn't bow their cranny buffet in Ami Humanitia. I make a name, Sadam,
do one Opoku, and your mamma Zongo. Do one Opoku. Do one Opoku. What it? And just some anime canisano. Mrs. Ye Kawanu to my was answer. You need the puto, let's say. We never go in some quaw suman. Some casa make Adam. You shock. Why you behaving like that? Are you putting me into trouble or?
A family man found to trouble be.
I speak English, then you speak Chi. Huh? Are you putting me in trouble?
No, for
so what happened? What happened? Keep quiet about this issue. If you not keep quiet about this issue, this is your last. And my main say, "One no kwa pompopo ye." Scanty, let me a hammer about yourself for being crazy. Additionally, a teacher 17 ama my idiom. Teacher 17 ama my zongo life. Ato baby. What it? Now come cast some you zongo life for school. Mumu be mun timini mi niagro. I swear. Can you ask some bring chikama cake and bachi can school na? Can't gummy. Why can back a good abinchi? Eh? Why can back a good abinchi?
I was the one I was sharing.
Don't you know? I'm what?
If I made an American,
Miss Ronan, I'm not Scanty. Don't be joke. Scanty, don't be joke. If you joke with me, you see. Hey, Asantua.
until uncle na them out, right? Seer, uncle na them out.
It was a pre-birthday gift. I don't know what are you talking about.
Wow.
And then Makacho is my uncle, nothing bad. Because from your offer, then you basic. You be on good basis, so meaning the entire original will be basic.
Seer, next time, I mean, yeah, we answer no P. So I make a control. So opposite relationship when you cool my me no dia. When in doubt, that's the thing. You know I love you, right?
Yes, I know.
Good. So you be mommy. More want to be on me and connect with mommy. Okay. Me.
Come on, Drew. Share.
Intimacy.
And the beer, my sister, they share them.
Jadia and young corner question. Why? Young corner question, mommy, are they? That's good.
Yeah, me pen when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm embroso with me yeah.
It's in common the chese because media and it was so long.
Hey,
It's not any problem. It's one of my friend. Now as some case be a wako faban. Oh you what worry? And was son or baby if you are coaching plan and yin say back. Now MK the woman is sending fear on.
you don't continue protecting one.
We protecting as we protecting.
Then they say disabled with you.
Bra!
Ebi mo
Mo say bia wo ba me wonu abesu enti sisi amami hu de me ye me ho
no worry ntu kwa wo ye oda wo firi yiri wo sa compare on ma protection wo
wanya akofa baby
e go force and o mo jimi pa o me dwuma me nti ase
enti kwa na me sen komo wo me no wo nkomo no anka mpese me no wo ka se sa anya bia woni mayi bia yetimi de yi ase senyin sen ana se ekle nyin sen ana aduru bia e wo so ka
o se my school adie ye she de ni sa those medicines
what can I say me teacher ni die
ase madam for doctor bina metimi ehu no se bi obetimi enya eh my ase wo twetwuma ko ba bi ni kwan se meko
me we madam for keke o boy me ko ama mani aba me ho so ma me hwe na me me ho wa ma mani aba me ho so do ye ma we yonko keke me ni ya bia yonko hunu aduma ku nyame chebese ayi yonko hunu
yonko say yonko
juma boy ni na me ko de me follow ni biem aya my
no be yin say nti woni abere ho sa ti won fifiri say ma ene papa mu no
okay ebe da me na ko me wona me wudi nkomo yi me ru afie o telephone wire me sraw
de na me once work was makabida
na wo bi a wo take anya yenya fam free afam bebre akoso anya yi nyina so na wo say no me ko me ru fi ko me de me sraw ayi madam fo keke
amafo council mo di o council on se makabida
ana me chese ya yonko keke na me ko
na me wutu obi bia o sipidie egu mi nsem make bi to obi
I told you it's not me, it's one of my friend.
Anya wa mum
Anya nti asema me wo kwa de me kwa boy me kwa ya na me hu ade ha me
nti minya drum bi ma odi obitim bi akọ
ana me chese me de me na ase me ne ka yi keke o ba me de yentwa so why yentwa so
ne no ka me yanko na me ko hu no na me hu
nko hu ai
yinsen ko se de se bia
yentwa so na me nwene me school ho yentwa so na ayi se school ba ko eto ai so yi yesi wo mo kola ni nyina afiri yi
ese nkura no mo so ni da
ade mi chiri ya na ade mi chiri
kura so mo nye serious enkura mo ni nkura o school mo si o mo nyina pesi ti be de nkura ntimi esua ade
ade mi chiri wo mi wiase no teacher ni a o se akura pe teacher nipa ukoda ho agro
No,
amana ka yi akwa bi bese ya wo boska shots went pa wo student who come to shame
na akra kitikiti wetimi awo no
awo
na beda akra nkwa di bua ma
adi bua ma
wo je class mu kira de kwa wo
Devi hanu ni maye
so teachers ni omo jimi pa
omo jimi teacher ni wo akola wo kire na de da jimi sa teacher ko na cheso wo adwene mu yade
ba wadam fun se atunofo
me tani efia wo me kwa me nko obiem
ne wo ma wo brese wo tin fifiri ko ba
anopa me na maniska awia ojeje awia ska nyina
no akofa ha
anopa ska ni awia ska ntwam ka first 1978 ne 77 ene ma anopa ska ne asa ma awia ska me ana me show wasa ko fanyin sense na ni mo di je no ofie ntimi nka me pe aduro kakra bi na akọhwe so but they don't dem mami nyimi hu fie
me biso asim bi o se me tie se o mai se abere se o mo ye nwotwi o se obi a ne maame
me ma
o ma wo me se ni
na we inform ya unya ne he
me se
unya me obo wo de obo wo
obi din koma se wo no atwa wasum
ye ka se kotwen bra pa no me na me ya de kwa wo we
Yeah.
I don't like how things are going now. I don't like it.
What do you mean by that?
Do you know, like now, the teachers are aware of us. I don't like it. They are getting to know about our relationship, of which I don't like it like that.
Who is telling them that?
Yeah, I don't even know.
But we've kept this one private, so how come they know?
Yeah, I don't know.
So what are they saying? What are they saying?
It's like they feel, I don't know what to say right now.
So what do you want us to do? What do you want us to do?
I think we have to keep things low, or it's whether we break up for a while then.
Break up? No. Break up what?
So what do you want us to do now?
No, we can't break up. Let's find something else to do. But breaking up, it's not obnoxious. Yeah.
But we can take a break for that for now.
A break for that?
Yes, for the day.
Nah, you see, of late, when we take break, it will end up we just leaving each other. I don't like it that way.
It's not going to happen in that way. But you try and understand me. Yes, you know, as I'm in school now, it's some people who are sponsoring me.
Oh, I get that. Don't worry about it. I've been providing, haven't I?
It's not about you providing.
So what's the problem? Let me know the problem so that we know how to fix it.
I don't like how things are going on now. I want us to take a break for that. I don't like it. I don't want anyone to call my mom and be saying any other things to her. I don't like it that way.
So which teacher told you that they've gotten to know about us? Which teacher is saying that?
I'm not saying any tutor has said something. I'm just telling you that I don't like how things are going and the rumors going on campus. I don't like it.
So are you focused on them or on me?
I'm not focused on anyone. I have to be safe. I don't want any rumors because I don't like it.
Alright, sure. If you are saying so. You see, of late, when we give ourselves space and it doesn't work out, we might break up. That's what I fear. I don't want us to break up. That's the thing.
But we're not going to break up.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's going to be hard, but I can't do anything about it.
You can do something about it. I don't like it at all. So I think it's better we have to plan something or do something about it.
The way you are insisting on this, is there something that I need to suspect?
Suspect what? What are you going to suspect?
Because you are saying that this is just accusation. It can be false. And we don't know about it yet. I've not heard anybody saying it.
You've not heard anyone saying it?
No. The boys are there. It was only that guy, Fanfula, who came to see us the other time. But he has been salted.
I don't want to talk about
So there is no way he's going to tell somebody. So I don't know why you are doing that all of a sudden.
You just listen to me. Let's take a break. Listen to me. Let's take a break for now. Okay.
That's very hard. I mean, I don't get you. I don't know. That's very tough for me. I won't lie to you. It's very tough. Because you know that you are the love of my life. And right now, you are bringing breakup in it. What's next? What's next? Benes, look at me. What next? All because of some people saying that we are dating. Even I was thinking of we making it public because we don't care about
making
anybody.
What public?
Our dating.
Please, I'm not interested in that, please.
Benes,
I'm not making anything public.
Okay, if you are insisting on that, then I can't do anything about it. It's like you've made up your mind already. For which I don't like it, but I don't know.